Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Evelyn and in case you're new here, karibu sana. Today I'm going to show you this amazing peanut sauce recipe. It's a really simple recipe that you can make at the comfort of your home. All the ingredients are found in your local supermarkets or the markets. With this peanut sauce, you can eat it with your chapatis, you can take it with your rice, you can take it with your green bananas. It's not limited to anything. And so without taking much of your time, let's head right straight to the video. The first step here is to fry your groundnuts, but if you have them already fried, we are going to peel off the upper skin of the groundnuts as you can see on your screen. After your peeling is done, now we are going to grind our groundnuts, and so I'm going to use this part of the blender. I'll put my groundnuts inside, then I'm going to grind them, not so much to become smooth, but I like it with some crunchiness, because also if you grind it for such a long time, it's going to become butter. So here my peanuts are grinded really well, just the way I want them to be, as you can see on your screen. And so I repeated the same procedure with the remaining peanuts, and this is all that I got. Moving on to making our sauce, we are going to use spring onions, 1 large onion and 2 tomatoes. Now we'll go ahead, take our sufuria, then we'll put in our grounded peanuts. With this recipe, you don't want to fry your onions first, because the peanuts really have a lot of oil, and if you fry your onions, it's going to have excessive oil. So after putting in your grounded peanuts in your sufuria, we will go ahead and add in all our vegetables, that is the onions, the spring onions and our tomatoes. So put them in, then you're going to mix them and put it on the fire. After placing it on the fire, we are going to add 2 cups of water, then we'll add 1 teaspoon of salt, You can also add in the spices of your choice. I chose to use Dhana jeera. After mixing in your spices, cover it and let it come to a boil. So you have to be checking it once in a while so that it doesn't stick at the bottom. At this point, I also added my Knorr beef cubes. Just crush them inside your peanuts, then stir them together. And now we are going to cover it and let it boil for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, now we'll check it and stir it again. Guys, as you can see on your screen, I didn't add even a drop of oil, but the amount of oil that the peanut sauce removed is a lot. So here guys, our peanut sauce is ready and you can serve it with chapati, rice or green bananas. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And until we meet on our next video, bye bye guys.